Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So children, today we'll be learning the sound D. The letter for this sound is D and the sound it makes is D. So let's see some of the words that begin with letter D and the sound D. D is for dog. D, dog. D is for doctor. D, doctor. D is for dice. D, dice. D is for donut. D, donut. D is for doll. D, doll. D is for duck. D, duck. D is for door. D, door. D is for dig. D, dig. So children, these were some of the words that begin with letter D and the sound is D. Let's go through them once again. D is for dog. D, dog. Dog. D is for doctor. D, doctor. Doctor. D is for dice. D, dice. Dice. D is for donut. D, donut. Donut. D is for doll. D, doll. Doll. D is for duck. D, duck. Duck. D is for door. D, door. Door. D is for dig. D, dig. Now children, turn to page number 5 of your books and go through the pictures. D is for dog. D is for doctor. D is for dice and D is for donut. So children, please practice these words and the sound at home and share your videos with your teacher. Hope you like the video. Thank you.